Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make simple fudge, easy method. Start by lining an 8-inch pan and gathering sugar, butter, whole milk, and chocolate. Melt butter and chocolate gently while stirring to avoid seizing. Combine sugar and milk, bring to a soft ball stage, then stir in chocolate and vanilla off heat. Pour into the prepared pan, chill until firm, and cut into squares for sharing. Warm and steady heat makes all the difference, so keep your stove at medium and watch the pot. Use a candy thermometer to hit the softball stage for perfect setting. Once removed from heat, a brief vigorous stir yields glossy, smooth fudge that holds shape. Add vanilla and any mix-ins at the end for even distribution. Chill fully before slicing to get clean squares and easy serving. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support more easy kitchen tips. Quick recommendation: upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. It listens to voice control and handles crumbs so you can focus on baking. It's a tiny kitchen assistant that keeps floors spotless after candy-making chaos. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Experimenting with flavors keeps this simple recipe exciting and personal. Try stirring in chopped nuts or dried cherries for pops of texture. A swirl of peanut butter or a pinch of espresso powder transforms the mood instantly. Sprinkle flaky sea salt on top if you like a sweet salty contrast. For a grown-up twist, add a splash of bourbon at the end, then chill and cut when set for delightful results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.